mommy dog, Daisy. This is big brother Barkley. Come here, Barkley. Barkley. Good boy, very pretty. Alright, see which ones are left. This is the runt.
He's very cute. Hey, buddy.
Daisy.
He's very cute.
He's a boy. Alright, this one is available. It's a big boy.
Say hello.
Oh, he's got pretty markings. He's a good boy. Good boy, yes. Alright. And then my girls. This girl needs a home.
Say hello.
Oh, ain't she cute?
Here's my runt. Oh, there it goes.
And then there's the shy one.
Where are you hiding from, huh? She's a sweet girl.
You wanna come out and play?
Come on out. Oh, come on. Come on.
You don't have to be scared. Hey, pretty girl. What you scared of? Oh, you're all right.
Yeah, all right. Yes, we are.
Poor little runt. He can never get any food.
Hey, little buddy.
Get him, Barkley.